Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a task on Grok AI on your PC or laptop. So to do that, go ahead and click your account in the lower left, then click on task. And here you have new task. You can also find the create task button on the upper right as well. So whichever one you click on, you will be able to go ahead and give the task a name. So I'm going to just call this one video research, for example, and you can choose the frequency. That can be once, daily, weekly, monthly. I'm going to leave it as daily, and the time, I'm going to change this time to, let's say, 4, and I'm going to choose this one as, I'm going to call it, let's just choose this one to be 8 a.m. for example. Let's put it 0 right here, and then click on OK. And as you can see, I have it daily. Now you can also put a prompt there, instruction. I'm just going to make something random. I'm just going to say so simple as that. I just basically say provide a list of AI topics to make YouTube videos about. Let's say that's what I want. And I'm going to leave it on expert right here. You can click on this and you can see right here that it's on expert. And from here, just go ahead and click on create task. And that's it. I now have a new task that I create. And this task is basically to create a new YouTube, to come up with YouTube video ideas. Now, right here, you're not seeing the task, but if I go ahead and I refresh my page, you will be able to see that I have tasks there created under my task, or under my task. And that's pretty much it, guys. As you can see, I have my task right here, and this is the task that I've created, and I can always click on it and view the task. And that's all, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and looking forward to see you in the next video.